Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to surprise Sir Mike. Amo na siya? Sorry. So this is a surprise birthday celebration. He thought that it's gonna be a school activity, but then the family ay nandito na. Tingnan nyo, kakuntsabo natin ng lahat. Nakabahan kayo, ako din. Hi! In 1, 2, 3, happy birthday, Sir Mike! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alright! Pabili nga ng smile. 200% na yung smile. Ladies and gentlemen, dalawang susi. Handa ka na bang makita, sir? Kung ano ang sususiyan mo ngayong gabi, ready ka na ba?
Ready na.